Open the box carefully and remove your product. Remember to remove all its packaging. Start by making the foldable seat tube stand up and positioning it at the intended location. Then, fold the safety buckle with your hands and make sure the safety ring is attached well to the folded card. Start by gently loosening the quick release fasteners located on the handlebar. Move the handlebar until it's at the right angle for you to ride. Make sure the handlebar won't move by tightening the quick release screws. Take out the M515 hex screw, 1251 flat washer, rear mudguard, and the 4mm hex wrench from the small box. Place the mudguard onto the washer and screw it tightly into the screw hole on the rear fork. Start by loosening the clamps on the seat tube. Put the bike seat you have already put together onto the tube and ensure the seat is secure. Adjust the seat to a comfortable riding height. Use your hand to tighten the seat tube clamp. In the small back box, you'll find the pedals and a special wrench called an M15 open-end wrench. You'll notice that the pedals are marked L for left and R for right. Start to screw in the pedals with your hands, then use the wrench to ensure they're tight.